Hey, today I wanted to show you how to make such a cute ring. It's easy and not difficult at all. For this ring we need a thread, chaton, gold beads and pearls. We are placing our chaton on a thread. Take another end and go opposite direction. Make it tight. Now our chaton strongly placed on a thread. Now we are taking one end of the thread and placing gold bead and pearl. Repeating one gold bead and one pearl. And so on until we are reaching half of our size. Now we are taking another end, which is empty, and continue the same steps until we are reaching our size. This half of the ring we are ending with a gold bead to save the order of our pearls and gold beads. Time to try on if it fits to you. And this is time to tie our thread. Make it 2 or 3 times to make it stronger. Cut our ends, which we don't need anymore. And this is what we have done. Thanks for watching.